Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my mixed berry cheesecake. This is also an episode of Cooking with MS, Multiple Sclerosis. Alright, let's basically get on with this amazing, delicious dessert. Very, very simple, this one. Right, here I've got 250 grams worth of Scotch finger biscuits. And I was actually going to use that food processor in the background there. The poor old thing's ready to die, and I worked out that these biscuits will actually just crumble in your fingers. So just spend a little bit of time and crumble those away, even though my fingers dexterity is not the best. And you can also use like a little muddling stick or something like that to get an even finer crumb. So we're going to crumb that 250 grams worth of Scotch fingers biscuits all together like that. And here I've got about 125 grams worth of melted butter that can go straight in on top of our biscuit mix. And the Scotch fingers are already nice and buttery, but this butter is going to help everything bind together. So just stir that through and get that butter mixed all the way through all your biscuit crumb, just like that. Very, very simple to do. And if you haven't tried making your own cheesecake before, it's not that hard, even for someone like me. Alright, I've got a springform pan and I've lined that with some baking paper, and all we're going to do now is put in our crumb mixture straight in, just like that. Right? Now what we need to do is get that evenly mixed or evenly spread out across the base. Using a spirit glass is perfect. So you just turn that spirit glass up, base side down, and use that to press all that crumb all the way around and nice and tightly packed. Take your time with this. You know, we've got a little bit of time to play with unless it's absolutely freezing cold. Right, so we're just going to pack all of that down using the bottom of that glass, and there you go. We've got our beautiful crumb base. How easy was that to do? Alright, let's get on to making our filling. I'm going to put that into the refrigerator until I am ready for it. Let it chill right down. So in a mixer, I have really done this one wrong. I put my eggs in first. I probably should have put in my cream cheese first. But anyway, learn from my mistakes. So 4 eggs, they're going in, and I'm going to add in about 3/4 of a cup of caster sugar. We're just going to blend that egg and caster sugar together. Now you can put the cream cheese in first and the sugar and cream all those together, and then add your egg and then blitz it once more. I'm switching paddles and things just to help work with the cream cheese. So here I've got 250 gram blocks of cream cheese, right, 500 grams in total, and I'm just going to put that straight into my mixer. Would work a little bit better if I cut it while it was still really cold and into little chunks, but I'm just giving you this recipe warts and all. Alright, I've got a bit of lemon rind, around about a tablespoon's worth. That can go straight in as well, and that's going to give us a nice zesty flavour to our beautiful cheesecake. Alright, so mix all of that together. Now if we had done this in the reverse fashion, we would end up with a very, very consistent type of mixture. We've ended up with a bit of a lumpy mixture, but it gives the cheesecake a bit of a marbled effect. It looks pretty cool. Here I've got 1 cup of frozen mixed berries, maybe a little bit more. I've just let those defrost. I'm going to put that in, juice and all. It's going to give us a beautiful colour to our cheesecake. And the mixed berries, of course, you're going to get these little explosions of flavour when we eat the cheesecake. Right, give that another good mix through, just like I'm doing there. And as you can see, I've got little tiny chunks of cheese in that mixture. Yep, it doesn't look the best, but it still tastes amazing. Right, put all of that straight into your base, just like that. And I've got my oven sitting at about 160 degrees Celsius. And make sure we get all that mixture in. Give it a couple of taps to get rid of any air bubbles that might have formed. And I am going to bake that off for around about 50 minutes or so, maybe an hour. Alright, 160 degrees, 50 minutes, and we're ready to take that out. Now our cheesecake is cooked. We're going to loosen that springform pan like that, and there you go. You've got your own mixed berry cheesecake. I'd love to see you try and make this one at home and do it in the right order. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them, and I do respond to all comments that are valid. Alright, in the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a dessert the way I do with my multiple sclerosis, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my mixed berry cheesecake, baked cheesecake, and I will catch you next time. Bye.